Cornelia, back with another video. But anyway, I know it's been a while since I posted a new video. I just been busy. If you guys follow me on my other social media, I've been working on a website for my candles. So that launched. A lot of money, a lot of time. So I did that. So I've been working on that, and just kind of like going through the motions with having your own business. I go back and forth, whatever, I go through my motions. But I wanted to come on and just film a makeup video. I'm going to be filming another video right after this one because I have stuff on my mind that I want to talk about, but not in this video. So yeah, so I ordered the new Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. I got it in cinnamon. I don't know, it looks a little dark, so we'll see. At the Hydro Grip because I haven't used this. I'm last on the bandwagon, so I got a sample of it to use today because Huda came out with her own primer with this foundation stick. I didn't pick it up because it was like 30 bucks, and yeah, not with all that. Okay guys, I just wanted to throw my brows on because they take forever for me to do. So how you been though? I was just basically very busy just working on my site and stuff, so getting that ready. Everything is in the description box if you guys are into candles and wax melts. My Black Pride candles. Right, I'm applying the Hydro Grip because I'm gonna do an eye look that I was supposed to film for you guys a while ago. I don't know if anybody cares to remember, but I was supposed to film like that glitter pink in that new Morphe palette that I got. So I wanted to film it today, but I like to let my primer sit on my face while I do my eyes just so it can get up in there. And but this is very sticky like they say, so let's see. I'm also gonna, because I got pores, I'm sorry guys, I'm just gonna put my putty primer from e.l.f. on right here because I have pores and I don't think that helps with pores. So we're gonna put that on there, my nose. But yeah, I hope everybody's been doing well. Yeah, I've just been going through it a little bit mentally, so I just took a break. I didn't even finish Vlogtober. I was going strong and then I just stopped filming. So, you know, it is what it is. Everybody's human. But yeah, I'm back today. I'm gonna film 2 videos. So this is the concealer, LA Girl Pure Beige. I always use that as a eye primer. I don't know, some YouTuber recently was like, don't use, concealer is not considered an eye primer. In the makeup world, for anybody that takes any advice from me, makeup, do whatever you want. You don't have to do what you're hearing from these big YouTubers and stuff like that. Do what's comfortable for you and what you want to do, period. Like, I'm not even gonna get on that topic. I just, Not like people tell you what to do. Do what you want. Do what's good for you. Whatever makes the eye look or the outcome of the makeup come out good for you, do it. Oh well. I'm watching that, well, I'm not right now, but that on Netflix, that new movie or show called Gambit, the girl that plays like chess and stuff. They were already saying like she's like nominated for like awards already. I'm like, what? But the other, over the weekend, last weekend, what I did watch was what's his name? David. You know, the one that had the talk show at night or something, and he had all the celebrities come on, like Kim Kardashian and Who else did he have? Dave Chappelle. But I watched most of those episodes over the weekend on his show. It was good. I think the best one he did was the one with Dave Chappelle, because I learned a lot of stuff that I didn't know about him. So if you haven't checked that out, I think, what's his name? Dave? Oh my God, I'm having a brain fart. And with the 35XO. Bam. And today we're going to use Crushing Hard. That one, I'm not flicking you off, guys. Sorry. So, Let me put, there it is. So I'm just putting a color down as my like base over that. This is like such an old school way. I know like people don't do it anymore, but I don't go far from what I've always done. I put on my site, guys, because it's my own site now, because I used to be on Etsy, so I only advertised my candles and the products with that. But I actually have a makeup lesson that I offer there, and we can do like a Zoom class together, one-on-one, and you can basically like just kick it with me for like an hour, and we just talk makeup. You ask me anything if you have any questions. And yeah, you can either just watch me do mine, we can do it together, whatever setup you want it to be. And yeah, I'm offering that because I used to do makeup, yes, like heavy, but I only do it now for like, you know, videos and when I'm going out and stuff. So now I'm just going in with a transition shade, guys. Yeah, so I mean, I'm good at it, so I was like, why not offer a class or like a little lesson, you know? Because some people ask me like in person, like, how did you do that, or how do you do that? I always get asked questions, so why not share the wealth? It feels good to film. I haven't filmed in a while, so it's nice to be back with you guys. Hopefully the video is not long. And if you guys want to know what colors I'm using and stuff out of the palette, I'm not really showing it. I really want to get to the face to kind of test those out. I really feel like that foundation is going to be too dark. I don't know. You can't order online. Crazy. You order, it looks one way online, you get it in person. You're like, oh my goodness gracious. Alright, so let me go in that. Transition. It's like a nice little brown. My eyebrows nice today. All right, let's see how this goes, guys. The Crushing Hard. I wonder if I should add it with just my hand. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So there is some fallout. Pretty though. I don't really care for glitter too much anymore. When I was younger, I loved it, but you gotta be careful with it. Even if it's made for your eye, gotta be careful. Yeah, so it applies pretty good. You just have to do it with your finger, because what do you guys think? That came out pretty. And that's called Crushing Hard. Very pretty. Boyfriend's gonna be like, wah, 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 wah. He always does that. So stupid. When I get all dressed up and stuff. Yeah, very pretty, very pretty. Oh, very nice. Okay. That's a winner. I like. Okay. Let me just go in with like, I want to put like a purple of some sort in like the sides a little bit. I don't know. That's the thing with makeup. You just be going crazy. What do you guys think? I didn't really have a plan for this eye look. So we're just winging it. Let me get a smaller brush. Feeling good, like I should. I don't know why I got that song in my head. Feeling blessed, never stressed, right? Or something like that. I like it. I'm impressed. All right, and let me start the face. I'm going to apply the foundation. Like I said, it's a little dark. I don't know. I've been at the beach, so I thought maybe it'll work. So let's apply. Let's see. I don't know. We could probably get away with it. I don't know. Okay. Got a nice little coverage to it. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup, guys, and then come back and show you, okay? Okay, guys, this is the finished look. I use for my lips the Juvia's Place in May with that lip liner I bought the other day from them, Cola. And then I top the lips with Fenty Glow. But yeah, I like the foundation. It's not heavy. It's not. It looks nice like when you do your whole thing and set it with a powder. I used the Charlotte Tilbury. And yeah, the eye look came out good. Just a little bit of fallout, so just be careful, but it's very pretty. I like it. Came out nice. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you picked up this foundation at all yet? Because it just came out. I know some people are waiting for the VIB and all that to start to get it. I just got it because I don't care about that stuff. Because I wanted to try her stuff out because that's the first product I ever used from her. So I like it. It's a plus for me. It's easy. I like stick foundations. I used to use a lot of the drugstore ones. So yeah, I'm a fan. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. You guys know I always write you back. And I'm going to be filming another video right after this on a different topic. So stay tuned. I think it's going to load tomorrow though. But oh, I miss you guys. Hope you guys miss me too. And yes, I'm back and I'm going to be filming more. And let me know. Leave a comment, subscribe, share, and check out my site, blackpridecandles.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.